Hello and welcome back. In this video, we shall see a C program to add, subtract, multiply and divide two numbers. The similar program we have seen in our earlier video, but in this video, what we will do is we will use printf and scanf statements so that the user can give the input through keyboard here. So we will understand how the printf and scanf statement works over here. And also we will see in this video how to add comments in C program. So all these things will be there in the upcoming video. So here I will take this new file from here. I will call it as yt3.c. I will create this file here. Then as usual, we have to include our libraries. So hash include stdio.h, then int main, and then our program will start from here. We need different variables, int n1, comma n2, comma n3, comma we have to find out the sum. So we will call it as addition, add, comma difference, diff, comma multiplication. So I will call it as mult, multiplication, and division I will call it as div, div. Enter. Now we have to take these inputs here through scanf statement. So I will write down printf here, printf, then double quote. You have to write \n to go into the new line, and \t to go to a tab space. Enter. Number n1, so I will call it as enter n1 is equal to, and then at the end I have to give a semicolon here. Okay, sorry, I have to give it here, semicolon at the end of printf statement. Then we have scanf, then double quote. Now here, since we are using these as integer, all these variables, so I have to give here %d, and here we have to write it as what, and n1, 1. And again we have here semicolon. Then we have to, so this will take our first input. Okay. So whenever we write this, we understand this program that it will take our number 1, but the other people, they may not understand this, what is going to happen in this program. So what we have to do is we have to give different comments here. So say before defining this int, I will say /. Now whenever we give this /, the C compiler does not, it can consider it as for comment. So it will not compile that, or it will not show any error for those things. So here we are defining the variables. So I will call it as defining variables. Or data types are there. So here we are using them, all of them as what? Int. Then here what we are doing is we are just taking input as number n1. So I will call it as taking input number n1. n1. Now after this we have to take the input of number n2. So what I will do, the a is remaining here. I have to type it here, a again after t. Now I will just copy this part here as it is. Control C, and after this I will write Control V. Now this I will replace here, so I will call it as n2. Similarly here I will call it as n2, and also here I will call it as what, n2. And then we have to add these numbers, that means what, add, subtract and all those things here. So I will write down that comment as what, processes here. So I will write down process or operations, mathematical or arithmetic operations here we are doing. So I will say that rather addition is add is equal to n1 plus n2, then difference diff is equal to n1 minus n2, then multiplication is equal to n1 star n2, and division is equal to n1 slash n2. And then we have to print all these results here. So I will say print here, printf number, I will take backslash n to go to new line, backslash t to go to a tab, n1 is equal to percentage d. Now all variables here are percentage d only. Then we have n1. So this is our number 1. Then I will write down printf double quote backslash n backslash t n2 is equal to percentage d comma n2. Then we have to print what, sum. So I will write down printf again backslash n backslash t sum is equal to percentage d, and I will write down here sum, and then printf, there will be again backslash n backslash t, then we have difference is equal to percentage d comma diff. Okay, so rather this is addition. Okay, so this variable is add, and here I will write down it as addition, add. Then we have multiplication, printf percentage backslash n backslash t, then we have mult is equal to percentage d comma mult, and the last one is the division. So printf double quote backslash n backslash t division is equal to percentage d, and here we have div, and then we have to return 0. return 0, and that's all. So this is our program is already typed here. Now what I will do is I will just save this program. You can just press Ctrl S, so it will save this program. And okay, now I will run this program. So I have to give number n1, say I will give it as a 10, then number n2 I will give it as a 5. Now see here, it gives the addition as equal to what? 15, difference as 5, multiplication is 50, and division is 2. Now I will run this program again for you by giving some different numbers. Say I will give n1 as, say n1 as 5, for example. I will give it as a n1 here as 5. Then n2 as I will give it as a 10, and then we'll see the result. Now see here, addition it gives as 15, that is 5 plus 10 is 15. Difference is 5 minus 10, that is minus 5. Multiplication is 5 multiplied by 10, that is 50. And division it gives as 0. Now why it gives as a 0? 5 divided by 10, it will be 0.5 rather. Is it right? Half or 0.5. But it is giving it as what? 0. The reason behind this is we have used it the variable as what? Integer here, and therefore to overcome this difficulty, instead of using variables as integer, we have to use the variables as what? Float. So all these things we will consider in our next program. So do subscribe, like and share, and if you have any difficulties, do comment. Thank you very much.